Hello ladies, hello gents. Thank you for being here today. My name is Muriel Skender and you know that I do not take your presence here for granted. If you're new here, welcome to this channel, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell, that way you know when we have new uploads. Today's video is a must talk about. I know for a fact that the topic that we are going to discuss here today is something that is going to put me in a very deep hard part. But silence has become the new red flag. So we have to trust this. On today's video, we are going to be talking about the things that ladies need to stop doing. Women, you gotta stop this like right now. So I'll not take much of your time and we'll just dive right in. The first thing that women need to stop doing is to stop paying your bride price. Oh my God. Ladies, when do we get here, and how do we even get to a place where a woman will be paying her bride price? There is a reason why our tradition, this is especially to the African women, there is a reason why in an African tradition, a man will see a woman that he wants to marry, right? Then he will go to the woman's parents and make the parents know his intention. Then, if it is something that they want to go ahead with, they will then give this man a list of the things that he needs to bring, which is called a bride price or a dowry, But in our world today, women have become so desperate. I don't know what is going on in their mind. I don't know if it is lack of self-esteem. I don't know if it is what, but in a nutshell, it is all desperation. You cannot be a woman and you are paying your bride price. Or another way that they do it is giving the man the money to go and pay the bride price. There is no difference. It's the same thing. How do you expect a man to respect you? How do you expect a man to value you? How do you expect a man to treat you right when you pay your bride price? In essence, what you're trying to do is, what you're saying is that you actually got married to yourself. A man wants what he wants. A man knows what he wants. A man goes after what he wants because men are hunters. If a man wants you, if a man really wants to make you his wife, no matter how broke that man is, that man will go through hell and high water just to get that money to pay your bride price. Even if he doesn't have money to do like a lavish wedding right away, even if he doesn't have money to do other things, but if he wants you, that money, that seed is what he's going to look for. He is going to work hard. He's going to do everything to make sure that he has just that money to go and present to your family. Because paying your bride price is an honor to you. It is an honor to your family, and it's an honor to the man. Because when I see ladies in this 21st century paying their bride price, this thing hurts me so much, because you are devaluing yourself, and this is something that a man finds very unattractive. Because I have not seen a case where it ends well. And this usually happens when a man is delaying in getting married to you. Instead of you moving on, instead of you doing the things that you need to do to build up yourself, instead of you doing the things that you need to do to be in that right headspace, to be in that place in life where you want to be, you then pressure this man and he will say, I don't have money. And when he says, I don't have money, then now you go in and start paying your bride price. Ladies, stop. You need to stop doing this. It is very important for a man to decide that he wants to marry you and go through the proper channel. Because what if this man down the line, anything that he says down the line is going to be the truth? If he says that he's not married to you, it's going to be the truth. If he gets up one day and start throwing insults at you or giving you verbal abuse, it is the truth, because you married yourself. He did not marry you. So he can go out there and do anything that he wants to do with his life. He can go out there and just do anything that he wants to do. And you don't have anything to say, because you did not look for a man that is a leader enough for you to be with. You paid your bride price. Ladies, stop. Please stop. This brings us to the next point. The next thing that a woman needs to stop doing Sisters, you need to stop this attitude of fighting another woman. The other woman is not your problem. Your man is your problem. If a man is cheating on you, if a man is going out on you, if a man is embarrassing you, it is not your place to go fighting the other woman that he's cheating on you with. It is not your place to go fighting the other woman that he's embarrassing you with. It is your place to face this man. It is your place to talk to the person who has allowed himself to do the things that he's doing to hurt you. We gotta stop having this attitude of always fighting people. And it has gotten worse to a point where a woman is going to see a comment on social media under her man's post and start fighting that woman who has commented under his post. It might be just a simple hello or just a simple you're looking good. But then this woman, because of her insecurities, she will come and start fighting this woman. Why are you fighting another woman? You have to stop this attitude of fighting the other woman. And sometimes a woman is going to go as far as to fight a woman when the man has not even made you know. Sister, you gotta let yourself calm down. If your blood is too hard to fight, at least wait for this man to introduce you to the world as his woman before you can start fighting other people over him. Because this man has not even made you known. He has not even introduced you to anyone. He has not even defined your relationship. There you are fighting another woman. You gotta stop this attitude because it makes you look unattractive. You gotta stop this attitude because you are depleting your own self. You're degrading yourself in front of people when you do that. You have to respect yourself enough to command respect from other people. Because if you do not respect yourself, you don't expect any other person out there to respect you. If you do not value yourself, you don't expect any other person out there to value you. Like they say, charity begins at home. You have to start loving yourself. You have to start respecting yourself for another person to respect you. You cannot go fighting another woman because of a man. If the man loves you, if the man is with you, if the man needs you, there will be no reason for you to fight because he will not even give you the reason to distrust him. He will not even give you a reason to make you feel like you're not wanted. He will not give you a reason to make you feel like the need to go fight somebody else. So please, ladies, sisters, if you want me to beg, I'm going to beg you, gotta stop doing these things because it is only going to hurt you at the end of the day. This takes us to the next point. The third thing that a woman needs to stop doing is to stop competing with other women. Other women out there are not your competition. The sky is big enough for every bird to fly. The world is big enough for everyone to live in. There is a lot of money out there for everyone to have a piece of it. There's a lot of cake out there for everyone to have a piece of it. There's a lot of pie out there for everyone to have a piece of the pie. Anyhow that you want me to put it, for it to sink down that another woman is not your competition, I'm going to do it. Because we have gone to a place where we are competing with other women. If a woman buys a pair of shoes, you want to buy that pair of shoes. If a woman is driving this car, you want to drive this car. And it has gone to a situation where people are going broke just to compete with other people. People are losing their self just because they want to keep up appearances, just because they want to keep up with the junkies. The only person that you have to have a competition with is yourself. The only time that you have to compete is with who you were yesterday. Compete your yesterday with your tomorrow. That's the only time that you have to have a competition. Like, okay, who was I yesterday and who am I going to be tomorrow? Who am I today? Those are the things that have to occupy your mind, because whatever you feed grows. When you feed this competition, when you feed this attitude of competing, that is how you start having envy. That is how you start developing illnesses. Because anger, if you look at it, people who are always angry, they have a high chance of even having cancer. Because you're angry at somebody else's success. It is a good thing for you to look at somebody being successful and then you admire it. And then you even congratulate a person. Congratulating that person is not going to take any shine away from you. It's not going to make you look small. It's just going to make you be a better person. It's going to make you look attractive. It's going to make you respected. Because if you see your fellow woman succeeding, and if it's a field that you want to succeed in, The best thing that you can do is to ask this lady, how are you doing this? Is there something that you can teach me, or can you show me the ropes so that I can do this? If that is something that you're interested in, rather than competing with this person, because competition has never done us any good. So that is something that women, you gotta stop. You got to stop doing that now. The fourth thing that women need to stop doing is to eradicate this entitlement mindset. This mindset that women have, that a man needs to take care of you, that a man needs to sponsor all your needs, a man needs to do everything for you, a man needs to pay your fee, a man needs to buy you the latest luxury hair, the latest luxury outfit, a man needs to buy everything that concerns you just because you're dating this man. No. Yes, it is nice for a man to do these things for you. It is nice for a man to want to take care of you, because men love when they're taking care of a woman. And when I talk about men, I'm talking about real men. They like it. It gives them a sense of purpose. It gives them a sense of ego, when they're taking care of their woman. But they should be taking care of you because that is something that they want to do. They should be taking care of you because they just want to do it, and because it feels nice, not because you cannot do it for yourself. You have to be a woman who is industrious. You have to be a woman who has her own life together. You have to be a woman that is independent of a man. Because you see, most ladies, they go about trying to date men just because they want to get something from the man. And if they see a man that is broke, they cannot date the man because they know that this man cannot give them any financial assistance. If they see a man that is rich, that is the man that they go after. They don't even think about the man's attitude. They don't even think about if this man cares about them. They don't even think about if this man is the right man for them. But just because he has his money, just because he has that money, that is the only thing that you are focusing your mind on. That is the only thing that you're looking at. You have to stop. Invest in yourself. Be the kind of woman who can take care of herself and even take care of other people. Be the kind of woman who is having her own things together, who has her life together, the woman who works, because working is sexy. Having your own money is very important. You cannot depend solely on a man. And most times ladies are doing these things even with a man that they are not even married to. You don't have any claim to this man. Why do you think that he needs to do all these things for you? Your own dad did not do these things for you. Why do you think the man has to do it for you? You have to stop chasing men just because of the financial gains that you can get. You have to stop chasing men because you feel like they have to buy even your body lotion. Ladies, we can do better than that. You gotta stop this entitlement attitude. You gotta stop being entitled. This takes us to the next point. Be the kind of woman that is not needy, that is not clingy. Yes, a man wants to feel needed, but he's not interested in all that drama. And this fifth point is just a continuation of the fourth point, because if you're a woman who is invested in raising herself up, you will not even have the time to be needy. Because you see women out there, when they are dating a man, they keep blowing this man's phone. They want to know what he's doing. They want to know what he's eating. They want to know who he's talking to. They don't even want to see him talking to somebody of the opposite sex. They don't want to see him talking to another woman. They don't want to see him doing anything that does not concern them. They just want this man's mind to be all on them. No, it doesn't work that way. If you're busy with your life, you'll be able to pour more into this man's life because you have something up there. You have a sense of purpose. No man wants to be with a woman who is just needy and cannot even pour into him. No man wants to be with a woman long-term who cannot do anything for him. He may be a wealthy man, but he still needs somebody that he can communicate properly with. He still needs somebody that he can have conversations with. And if you're the kind of woman who is needy and clingy, the best thing that you can do is bring drama or not. And you will always make a mountain out of a molehill when something arises. So ladies, these are the 5 things that we need to stop doing today. These are the 5 things that we need to stop doing to make ourselves attractive, because men find this unattractive and even women find this unattractive on other women. So please ladies, let us stop doing this and become better. Let us stop doing this and make our life to be what we want it to become. Thank you so much for watching to this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell, that way you know when we have new uploads. Thank you guys and have a fab one. Bye.